Chapter 4. The Cunning Judge. Once upon a time, there lived a sparrow on a tree. He was very happy to have a beautiful and comfortable nest of his own on the tree. The sparrow used to fly to far-off places to pick at grains from so many fields full of crops. At the sunset, he would return to his perch. One day, the sparrow ate his fill, but could not return to his nest because of the heavy rains which continued for the whole night. The sparrow had to spend the whole night in a big banyan tree a little distance away from home. The next morning, when the rain stopped and the sky became clear, the sparrow returned to his tree. He was astonished to find a rabbit occupying his beautiful and comfortable nest. The sparrow lost his temper and spoke to the rabbit, "It's my home you're sitting in. Please quit this place at once." "Don't talk like fools," replied the rabbit. "Trees, rivers and lakes don't belong to anyone. Places like these are yours only as long as you are living there. If someone else occupies it in your absence, it belongs to the new occupant. So, go away and don't disturb me anymore." But the sparrow was not satisfied with this illogical reply. He said, "Let's ask a person of wisdom and only then our case will be settled." At a distance from the tree, there lived a wild cat. The cat somehow overheard the discussion that took place between the sparrow and the rabbit. The cat immediately thought of a plan, took a holy dip in the river, and then sat like a priest and began chanting God's name in a loud tone. When the rabbit and the sparrow heard the cat chanting God's name, they approached him with a hope to get impartial justice and requested him to pass a judgment in the matter. The cat became very happy to have both of them in front of him. He pretended to listen to their arguments, but as soon as the right opportunity came, the cat pounced upon both of them and killed and ate them together with great relish. New words: perch, a rod or a branch on which a bird builds nest. Astonished, surprised, amazed. Temper, a person's state of mind seen in terms of their being angry or calm. Overheard, hearing something without the knowledge of the speaker. Priest, a man of God. Impartial, fair-minded. Pounced, sprung suddenly to catch. Relish. G. Understanding the lesson. A. Answer the following questions. 1. Why did the sparrow used to fly to far-off places? 2. What did the sparrow see when he returned to his nest one morning? 3. To whom did the rabbit and the sparrow go for justice? 4. What did the cat do with the sparrow and the rabbit? Vocabulary zone. Write the name of 2 birds. Write the name of 2 wild animals. Write the name of 2 pet animals. Grammar fun. Read these sentences. I have a toy train. He has a black cat. We have a big house. She has a yellow dress. You have a nice smile. Leja has a new doll. Animals have 4 legs. Complete the sentences using has or have. 1. A car. 4 wheels. 2. The nurses. Wreck. 3. The giraffe. A long neck. 4. They. 2 apples in their hands. 5. We. Lunch at 2 o'clock. Write well. Complete these lines about the cat using the words given. Help box. Stupid. Sparrow. Pounced. Overheard. Killed. Solve. Cunning. Listening time. On basis of your understanding of the story, form groups of 2 and pretend to be the sparrow and the rabbit. One child should listen to the dispute between the sparrow and the rabbit and give a judgment of his/her own. Pretending to be the cat. Judgments can be different in various cases. Speak well. Each student should speak a sentence using has or have on a random basis. The task is complete when all the students have participated. The swing. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide. Rivers and trees and cattle and all. Over the countryside, till I look down on the garden green. Down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again. Up in the air and down. Poetry appreciation. Complete these sentences. 1. The poet thinks that going up is the nicest thing. A. A counter. 2. The swing goes up in the air and over the A. Wall. B. Rivers and trees. B. Tick the correct words. What does the child see when the swing goes up in the air? A. Clouds. C. Kites. E. Trees. B. Roofs. D. Aeroplanes. F. Cattle. Fun to do. Help Minnie reach the swing.